Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add subscribe button to your YouTube videos. It's very simple, so follow the step. First, you want to click on your channel logo at the top right of your screen and click on where it says YouTube Studio. Now once you're inside your YouTube Studio of YouTube, you want to go on the left section over here and scroll a bit down until you see this option called Customize. Click on Customize, and from over here you want to choose where it says Branding. And from inside Branding, scroll all the way down, and the third option where it says Video Watermark, this is where we want to work now. So we want to click on Upload, and from over here you can choose the image which you want to upload. So I'm going to upload this image, so it's going to be visible over here at the bottom right corner of your screen. So I'm going to choose the image, and I can even customize its size by cropping it or changing its location. But this is fine for me, so I will click on done. Now this is how your logo is going to appear on your video, and it's going to show you where you want the subscribe button to appear, at the end of the video, or you can even add a custom time. You can add at which second and which second it ends, or you can choose entire video. I will suggest you to choose entire video, and it will run from your first to the end. And by doing all this setting, you can click on publish at the top right corner, and you have basically done it. You have added a subscribe watermark or a subscribe button on your YouTube channel. Now people can just hover their mouse on top of this button and they can click on it and they will be subscribed to your channel. For an example, this is how it's going to look like. Whenever somebody hovers their mouse over here, this is what they're going to be displayed with. Alright, so as you guys can see over here, just like that. Hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.